Hello everyone, welcome to Soar to High, and today I have something very special happening here. So welcoming Vanya Jain, who is the winner at Super Kid India 2021, which was sponsored by Buddy for Travel. It's a London-based company headed by Ruchi Singh. A very warm welcome, Ruchi, and the creative head of Buddy, Anushri Kuala. Welcome, Anushri.
Thank you, Aditi.
We also have Shrishti Jain, Vanya's mother, who is here present with us and who played a very significant role in making Vanya win Super Kid India 2021. A very warm welcome, all of you. Welcome, Vanya. Great having you here, dear.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Vanya, can we see your trophy and your sash and your crown? Vanya? How did you feel when you found all these things at home?
I should said I got so many things.
And Vanya, tell me which round you liked the most in Super Kid India 2021?
Storytelling.
Which story did you tell?
Ramayana.
The judge panel was in awe. We were mesmerized with her storytelling. She narrated the entire story of Ramayana. A child of 4-year-old, knowing all the characters, remembering the entire Sampoorna Ramayana, all the adhyayas, she was able to touch each and every part of it.
Okay,
That's all, really.
Honestly, Vanya was superb.
Yeah.
I mean,
Thank
we
you,
couldn't have asked for a better winner. You know, she deserved it. We have not given her the trophy. She won it in literal meanings. You understand? She's won it.
And in the other rounds also, I think Vanya did wonderful. I saw her videos. She was
Definitely.
awesome.
Yes, definitely. A rocket to future.
Hello, friends. My name is Vanya Jain. Well, I want to be. Yes. Well, I want to be a chef. I want to be an author too. I want to be a musician too. I want to be a doctor. Let me check my baby patients.
I want to be a good human being in future. That was an amazing thought process altogether. That was really amazing.
With a very lovely concept, you headed for Super Kid India 2021 and it worked out so well.
Definitely.
Yes.
We are proud of ourselves for that. Pat on the back.
Yes, from my side also. What did you learn, Vanya, from the competition?
Ma'am, first second is nothing.
Yes, it is nothing. Very true. And what else you liked in the competition?
I like everything.
Everything. Shrishti, can we see you? So, Shrishti, how was your experience in getting Vanya participate? Did you have to convince her that something like this is happening? Beta, let's work on it. Please participate.
No, not at all, Aditi. Actually, I'm there with Being Social. It's been a year.
Okay.
So I was just checking the updates about Buddy. So it was really almost on the last date, I registered.
Okay.
So it was nothing about asking because she always look forward to all these things. It's like she's ready. Yes, Mama, I will go. I'll do it.
Wow.
So the thing, yeah, she's always ready for all these things. So it was not at all difficult for me, and the everything was so easy going. The process was so easy for me, and it was more of like bonding with the family members. It was more of knowing her hobbies, her interest, because with each round we were just getting to know what she wants.
Okay.
Because we have never asked her like what you want to be when you grow up.
Mm-hmm.
because we feel that this is not the right age to ask. It's too early.
Yeah, it's too early.
But eventually we just learn what she wants to be. So what we learned, that she loves storytelling
Okay.
throughout, and we were not aware about these
Mhm.
things. So it was more about exploration, knowing about each other. So it was a very good experience
Wow.
for all of us, in fact for the entire family.
Was she easy to handle?
She's always easy, because the best part, what I like about her is, she's adamant when she wants to do something, and when she is assured, like she assures herself that mama, I want to do this, I want to eat this, I want to wear this,
Okay.
then you can't just change her mind. She knows.
Okay.
So her decision making is really good, like we always admire that.
Mhm.
And you can't change that. So it's like we just told her that we are going to shoot like this, so she was like, mama ab kya karna hai, ab kya karna hai, abhi what next, abhi main kya pehnungi, और ये इसमें आप कहाँ पे मैं मुझे बैठना होगा. So she was excited throughout. It was like nothing, like never we had to tell her ki Vanya, she was punctual with everything, she was ready with everything.
Okay, that's good. Okay, Vanya and Shrishti, I'll take your leave. It was great having both of you here at So To High.
Thank you so much,
Bye.
Anushri.
Bye bye.
Thank you
Bye.
for the opportunity. Thank you
Bye,
so much.
ma'am.
Take care.
Bye.